Hello, ladies and gentlemen, gamers, Gamer 2000, and today we are back for another part of Modern Warfare 3, Part 8, I think. So I just recorded Part 7, and it did the same thing as Part 6. Quarter in the jar. I just need to make a jar. Oh my gosh! That's from the first one! Pripyat? That's from the first one where you play as Captain Price 15 years in the past. Okay, Soap. I played as you in Modern Warfare 1, and you in 1 level Price. Oh yeah, I'm Yuri, I'm not Frost anymore. There's me, there's Caleb, and Yuri's probably... I don't know who Yuri is. Yuri's probably a guy from my school, I guess. Is this a grenader? Nice. What's my other weapon? I'll take it. It's powerful. It just doesn't have enough ammo. It just doesn't have a lot of ammo. That's the only reason I don't like it. I mean, it's really powerful. Air support already? Jeez, that's bad. Can't see. Okay, air support. Oh, I was clicking the wrong button. I was like, what's this not working? Okay, use my other weapon. It'll forever reload. What's his weapon? There you go, air support. Light him up. Die, man! I thought the level ended or something. Ah! How come it seems like with Sandman we have the same people and with Price we have the same people? Just me? How did he hit me? Not far. Wait, can I sit down and play this level? No, I cannot. This is terrible. I can't do what I need to do anymore. Who's next to me? Or behind me? Or above me? Oh, right behind him. Okay, I need to stop using the grenade launcher. Seriously, like... Why does it seem like the M4 is the main gun in Modern Warfare? M4A1? Your name is getting better. How come Nikolai never helps us? Nikolai never helps us. Why was I reloading? This is just the beginning of the level, and we're doing what we came here to do. We gotta make our escape, I think. Oh, I spoiled it, but most of you have probably played this.
Watch those corners.
Corners, corners. Oh no, that's too close. That's too close. Oh shoot! I did not have time. Cook off. But in real life, if you hold a grenade down right where you pull the pin up to pull it, then if you hold it down, it won't explode until right after it hits something when you throw it. So trust me. You didn't make it. Oh wait, that was not a bad guy. That was Soap. Sorry, Soap. I really thought you were a bad guy. There's the bad guy.
Gas mask's on.
Can I please shoot him?
Look familiar.
No, please!
Where's Makarov? Tell me and it's yours.
Our contact with the man named Volk. We never met Makarov.
Where's this Volk?
Paris! He oversaw the delivery in Paris!
Right then. This is for the boys at Hereford.
Ha! Ha ha! Paris! Delivery in Paris! Please! No, wait! Boom. That goes out of focus really badly during these parts. I'll be back after these messages. Sorry. Sorry.
We're all be broke. We have what we need. Ready for exfil. Almost there. The LZ looks clear, but that sandstorm is moving in fast.
Sandstorm.
We see it.
Whoa.
20 seconds.
That just badly went out of focus.
Last thing we need is to get going like this month.
Is that Makarov? Not Makarov, I mean Nikolai. Let's go. Who are you? What? Snipers? No. Not gonna die. Not gonna die tonight. We're gonna stand. Don't ask why I'm singing Skillet either. That guy took forever to kill. More grenades! This is what I'm gonna use to kill them. He's dead. How did you survive that? How did I kill him too? Both of them do not make sense. Do not make sense. Kill you with a grenade. You kill my friends. Time remaining till what? Shoot. You were killed by an exploding vehicle. Vehicles on fire are likely to explode. No! Really? I had no idea, my friend. Did I get the G18? No. USP, but that's still good. I mean... Wow. Kill that guy. Please go up there. No, I'm not letting you kill me, man. Come on, man. Cover you with what? A towel, a blanket, a pillow? It's not a pillow. Shoot him through the wall. Open the door. No. Okay, no, just me. Thinking I could be Superman. I understand. I'm getting past you guys. Ah! Okay, going through. I got past those guys and there's still bad guys over there. Wow, the sandstorm. This is going by quicker than I expected. It's going by like way quicker than I expected. Where's Price? There's Price. This makes it really bad lighting because you can't see anything. I'm supposed to get... Okay. I am! What do you think I'm doing? Sand is too hot. We were walking on it. Jeez, we did not notice these guys? Whoa! Nikolai. Bryce has known Nikolai the longest. There you go. I like how Soap's always the last one. Again? This happens way too much. I'm just gonna sit down and have a sip of water real quick. Refreshing. That refreshed me. Come on, lads. Lads. I can see 5 feet in front of me. I'm not using the grenade launcher. Just you. What kind of car is this? Can I drive? Oh my gosh, that was a mistake. Not that direction. Nikolai, Private Van Eck. Why do I have to pick up Nikolai? Well, why does Yuri have to pick up Nikolai? Well, I don't have to pick him up because I'm Price. Yeah. Forgot about that. He says, come on, Yuri. and I'm in front of him.
There's Echo Team. Let's go! They just passed it in! Hurry this way! We have to keep moving.
This part's pretty fun. Nikolai just like that.
Let's go! Come on!
We gotta move! Move out!
Yes! Did I live?
How'd you make it?
Some folks in Paris, how are we getting there in the middle of a bloody war?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.